Hello everyone. Let's now discuss how can we solve this problem. Apple redistribution into boxes. So we are given with an array apple of size n and an array capacity of size n. There are n packs where the ith pack contains apple I number of apples. There are m boxes as well, and the ith box has a capacity I apples. I think you got it. We have apple packs and also capacity, a boxes with some capacity. Return the minimum number of boxes you need to select to redistribute these n packs of apples into boxes. Note that apples from the same pack can be distributed into different boxes. So this is the main important thing. Apples from the same pack. It is not like here we have three apples, so we need to have a box where the three apples fit. Nothing like that. Even if the box fits only two apples, we can take the two apples from the pack of three and put that two apples into that box and one will be remaining. But so why can't we just take the sum of all the apples? That's the first intuition. And what about the capacity? Let us see. We'll use boxes with capacity 4 and 5. 132, 43152. 132, 43152. Now, minimum number of boxes. Let me tell you, if I have boxes like 4, 1 and 2, right? And these are the apple packs. Now if I have something like 5 and 1 and then 2, one will be fitting in this one pack of apples into this one number box, this two into this. But what if I just put the pack of one apples and pack of two of apples in just the box number 5? So minimum number of boxes. For that, I'll just sort in decreasing order, right? We'll be sorting the elements in this decreasing order. We'll get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I have this. As I said, I'll be taking the total. Total is equal to 132, right? It is 6. Now this 6, this is a box of capacity 5. From this 6 I'll take 5, right? I'll take 5 and put that into this box. How many are remaining? 1. Now I'm here. 4 is the box having capacity of 4 apples. I have remaining with only one apple. I'll just put that one apple into this box of 4 apples and the total will be 0. That's how I solve it. First, sort capacity in decreasing order. Then take the sum of apples. I'll have count is equal to 0. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n. And also, let us take it as total. Total is greater than 0. I plus plus. Total minus is equal to capacity of I. That's what I did, right? And count will be incremented every time. Just return the count at the end. Here is the code. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have given the code link in the description. Go and check it. Thank you.